Okay guys, welcome back to a new video on the Conquest. We have some exciting, don't do that. So,
we're going to fix that.
We're going to fix the issues that the motor has. And then, now that the car is painted, we are going to be putting that in there. I doubt we're going to get it to crank or start today.
No.
But we're going to put it in. Well, before that, we actually have to prep the engine bay first.
Yeah. So you obviously would have seen in the painting video that the engine bay is a little bit black, but it's got a little bit of red in it still.
Yeah, some overspray.
So we're gonna touch up the engine bay, make it black, and then we can put the motor inside. And then close it up, and then we can obviously touch up the rest of the car.
That's it.
That's it.
And fix your mess, the mess that you put over there. Yeah, fix it.
It wasn't my fault.
Why are people welding my head?
Because I broke a bolt.
So the whole veterans.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
What's the use of an easy out?
When it also
Exactly.
breaks.
Why don't you tighten that bolt with a torque wrench?
Yes.
Now what did you tighten?
Brother, look how skinny I am. You really think I tightened that thing to the point where it'll break bits? Come on. Bring the torque wrench.
You want to go again? Snap another one.
Yeah. Attempt number 2. This thing feels tight already.
Okay, so after that headache of a mess up over there, it's been a few days. But yeah, so there we go. We had to get a professional in here to put an insert in because the other one was done. So what happened was he broke a bolt, you know that much. And then we tried to weld the 10mm nut onto here.
Onto the bolt.
Yeah.
Onto the back of the bolt.
No, onto the broken thing that you broke. We tried to weld the 10mm onto there, welded it on, and then when we were pulling it out, it snapped again.
Deeper.
Yeah.
A couple of times. No, it snapped on the weld a couple of times.
Yeah.
And then it snapped deeper inside the thing.
And then we need to get an extractor. So we got a Mastercraft, mind you, hardened extractor put in. And then when we were turning it, it snapped the extractor.
Yes.
So that's when we had to call it professional, because now the hardened steel extractor
It was chowing all the drill bits that we had.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's where the professional came in. Sorted it out, put an insert in. Now we need to go fetch bolts.
One bolt.
Yeah, well, one bolt for there, yes. But because our adapter plates arrived for our throttles, we also need some bolts for here. So that is why we are going to the bolt shop. Shall we go to the bolt shop?
Let's go to the bolt shop.
Sick, let's go to the bolt shop. The thing about gasket kits, right? And they don't come with gaskets. So they came with the wrong gasket. So we have got a small port for AGE. They gave us gaskets for the big port. So everything else pretty much is the same, except for the intake. Because these are the big ports. And then we have the 20 valve adapter plate for the throttles. But now obviously a 16 valve gasket kit doesn't come with a 20 valve intake thing, so we're gonna have to make one. But since we got the wrong one, we're gonna make both. So that's what the adapter plate is for. We are gonna trace the outside of the adapter plate for the 20 valve side. I feel like I'm in school again.
Yeah, because when you're asking in class, when am I ever going to use this?
Bruh, I was actually thinking, now, when's the last time I actually cut something like this? Like actually, you see that whole thing
Follow
of
the lines.
cutting on the line. Hey, and then you find you stick it in. Another thing, runs while we cut some.
Yeah, because we don't have a
Gasket
limousine.
maker.
We don't have a limousine.
Yes, because someone's limousine is broken. So Ron's in the office with some gasket paper. Why in school did the teachers give you a worksheet made out of paper, make you cut it out, and then stick it in a book made of paper? If that was the whole plan for the year, why didn't we just get a flip file?
Yeah, because there was writing that needed to be done.
Yeah, but then we write on the thing, and then when we're done, we put it in the file. Now you gotta.
Yeah, but then not everything is going to be a worksheet. Other stuff is notes and stuff.
Nah, most of. But then get a book for that. Because I was in school, contrary to popular belief. And
Very contrary, yes.
okay, I didn't do much of my stuff. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is, I felt like all the cutting and sticking and all the glue sniffing using that I did, wasn't worth it.
But look at you now.
Yeah, and I'm still messing it up. I can see why now.
Yeah, but you can't see as well, so.
So now that Hossie's mess has been fixed and we had to call in a professional to put in an insert because it broke everything. It just... Anyway, this is done. Now it's ready to go in the car. Let's take a look at the engine bay.
I did nothing of the sort.
Okay, look. Now it's all black.
Still need to cut some wires, but
Yeah, so it's all black. Now it's ready for that to go in. So let's go and do that. We just got a new clutch. Is that the new clutch? Yeah. No?
that is new.
Yes, this is the new clutch.
There's a new pressure plate.
It's in the box store. It's over there. New clutch, ready to go. The clutch goes over here, except on the opposite side. And then it goes in the car, on the gearbox. So we're gonna do that. Okay, now let's remove it off this thing so we can put the flywheel on. This is scary, by the way. Ooh. Ooh.
We have a dangling engine. I don't know how I feel about twisting it.
Hey!
What? Freestanding engine, guys.
Is your goal to throw it on the floor?
Brother, I can't steer the thing.
God damn. This is scary. I'm not comfortable with this. Okay, that makes me feel better.
Oh, right. You have to reduce the height of the...
I appreciate making quality content, but this is the point where you might want to hold the engine in case we break the sump.
Excuse me, this engine fell on my finger the last time.
So?
Okay, let me focus because it passed my finger the last time.
Okay, that's not too bad. And I guide it. Sweet. It's 8 o'clock. So get yourself a butterfly energy drink.
Butterfly.
Yeah.
I thank you. As the flywheel goes on.
Sponsored by Energy. Not bad. It's actually quite nice.
Flywheel's on there.
Well, that's stupid. But it's listed on the system as a 16V. Maybe it's for the wrong flywheel. Is this the flywheel from the...
Yeah, because there's all of them. There's a 6 and an 8 bolt flywheel. This is the 8 bolt.
And this is the 6 bolt.
Maybe that's for the 6 bolt.
And the other motors don't have flywheels. Okay, so now we are going to move this over there to put it in that thing. As looking like a car again. Look. Radiator. Mirrors. Stuff. Most important. An engine.
As it's coming down, it's going more.
More down, more back.
Both.
I'm backing onto a bonnet.
Mounting is on.
I'm good at this thing. I can control.
Right.
Stop.
Somewhere there is where your engine's going to sit.
Sick. That already looks sick.
It does.
Yo, this thing looks so sick.
Right?
On the black.
Look at it, yeah.
God damn. Right. Going up. What floor, sir?
All the way up. Right.
That was barely to the second floor.
There we go.
Ooh. That looks like it's going far.
Around about there.
Yes.
That looks sick.
Ooh,
Clarence!
What's that?
the brick fell out because it has no gearbox or brakes or anything. So the brick rolled.
Yeah.
The brick rolled out from underneath.
Come down. Okay, you can come down a bit more.
One down. More down. Sure.
Yes.
That's nice. Anyways, guys, so the motor is in, sort of. Unfortunately, we couldn't get in the way we wanted it to.
Yeah.
Because we received the wrong clutch. Well, clutch pressure plate. Everything else was cool except for the pressure plate. But anyways, that's a kit. So we need a new pressure plate, clutch kit, everything. Then we can put the gearbox in. Doesn't make sense putting the gearbox on and then having to take it out again. So this is the result. The motor is halfway in.
I'm so glad we went to the black.
It looks so nice already. Already. And I was a bit skeptical at the beginning going on the black instead of going full red, but I actually think good choice. That was Jose's idea and Clarence's idea. So
Yeah. The things that work really well.
So this was all Clarence's idea.
Yeah.
Is what it was. So yeah, if you guys are enjoying the build and this is your first time watching it, go check out the playlist. Then you can see it from the beginning. We are almost there. There's a few things still to come.
And my eyes are burning.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Proceed.
Anyway, so thanks again for watching. Please share, please like, please subscribe, and let's get it started next time. Or
Yes. Want to hear?
well,
the
let's try.
throttles.
Let's try get it started next time.
Want to hear the throttles?
Yeah.
Yes. And we worry about the space for the throttles with this gang space here.
Are you done now?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you on the next one, guys.